I brush my teeth, but they don't whiten. Hey there, welcome back to the official YouTube channel of Lima Dental Clinic. So, you brush your teeth every single day, but they still don't look white? Don't worry, you're not the only one asking this question. Let's talk about why brushing alone might not be enough to whiten your teeth. Brushing doesn't equal whitening. Here's the truth. Brushing keeps your teeth clean, but it does not necessarily make them whiter. Your toothpaste removes plaque and food particles, but it cannot erase deep stains caused by coffee, tea, red wine, smoking, or even natural aging. Now, why teeth stay yellow? There are two types of stains: surface stains and internal discoloration. Surface stains can sometimes be improved with whitening toothpaste, but internal discoloration, that's under the enamel, and brushing won't reach it. Also, some people just naturally have a darker tooth color because of genetics or medications they took as a child. Now, what you can do about it? If you want whiter teeth, brushing is just the foundation. You might also need professional teeth cleaning to remove stubborn tartar, in-clinic whitening treatments for quick, safe results, or veneer and Hollywood smile options for complete transformation. At Lima Dental Clinic, we offer all these with personalized care so that you can get the smile that you've always wanted. Your teeth can be healthy but still not look white, and that's okay. But if you're ready for a brighter, more confident smile, Lima Dental Clinic is here to help. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop your whitening questions into the comments. See you soon with a whiter smile.